Back to the streets. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Oh, here we go, here we go.
Life update. Dinala kami sa...
Maganda tong vlog yun kanina. Wala video mo yun.
Dinala kami ng GPS kung saan kailangan namin mag-ferry. Tangina kaya pala mas mabilis. Pero ang ganda. At least nakita natin yung libro.
Magsisingit sa akin. Ano?
We're in Quebec!
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 Here we come!
We're already here!
Sorry tayo sa Quebec. Taba tayo dito.
Home sim. Puro ganito yung kakainin natin. Actually, nawawala yung lamig kapag gumagalaw ka. It helps. Ano, right or left?
Kaliwa!
Dito? Love, ano na. Kanina, 24 talaga yan yung nag-start.
25.
Hindi. Nung ako yung nag-ayos.
25.
Yung ako
25.
Nung ako yung nag-ayos, 24 siya.
Patayin
Tapos
natin.
kung ano-ano yung ginawa ko, naging 25. Tapos ngayon naging 26.
Inayos mo 24, tapos kung ano ginawa, naging 25.
Tapos ikaw, naging 26. Love, alam mo kung ano meaning yan?
Please wait for the cable.
Wahaha! Meron ba silang ganito? Wala silang ganito. Magki-cable car kami. Nandito kami sa Mount Morency Park.
Yo!
Oh my gosh! Sobrang grabe naman yung Tagalog. Pabulusok! Pabulusok na kami, guys. Pabulusok! Nalamig! You know, Alden. Quebec moments.
nothing. It's a maybe. What else can you offer? And so we asked the last joker we have in our sleeve. We're gonna build the whole railway from east to west, and we're gonna pay all your debts. I don't know
Sounds
why
nice.
they said yes.
In 30 meters, take a left on La Citadel.
Ah.
Citadel?
Yes.
Yes. So this is a military base that's still in use. It can only be accessed through a guided tour. And we have two different guided tours. Would you be interested into doing one?
Next stop, Montreal. Old Montreal na sobrang hirap i-drive. See? Montreal. Okay, nakata tayo. Happy birthday, Carlo! Happy birthday, Carlo! Guys, birthday ni Carlo. Happy birthday, Carlo! Happy birthday, Carlo! Happy birthday, Carlo! Kinakabahan na si Carlo. Baka na-tow na yung sasakyan niya.
Hindi na to, may ticket.
May ticket
Windshield.
sa windshield. Hindi na po siya makangiti. Habang ako ay may dalang pasalubong, ice cider. Tingnan natin kung walang ticket si Carlo. Tara, dito natin malagkakalaman. Wala, boss. Wala kang ticket. You're safe.
Yes, yes.
Wala kang ticket.